Good afternoon, boys and girls. Let us today try to discuss designing a poster. In previous lecture, we discussed resume, how to construct resume, and what is a resume. Today, we are trying to understand a poster. Now, first of all, let us see what is poster. It is displayed on your screen. A poster is a card or placard for posting in a public place, especially one that is decorative or pictorial in order to give some information regarding some event or for general awareness of the people regarding some burning issues in the society or for advertising something. Boys and girls, now you can easily understand this definition. It is simply a placard that is designed for the public awareness. It can be decorative or it can have pictures as well that gives some information regarding some event, some awareness of the people. There are certain burning issues over which posters are designed. Posters regarding coaching centers, posters with regard to pollution, posters with regard to to some disease like AIDS or can be coronavirus or COVID 19. We have number of issues, burning issues on which posters are designed. And what is important in order to design a poster, let us try to understand. These are the points which are very very important to remember. First of all, your poster must get a catchy title which should catch the attention of the readers. It should suggest you know uh, the attention of readers. It should suggest the problem in a way that the readers get attracted, they get drawn towards the poster. Okay, now see another thing. Use short phrases in the content. You have to use short phrases in the content. Posters are not something where you will discuss each and everything in detail. It is something that is very very short, very brief, very precise, and that must catch the attention of the readers. Therefore, in order to catch the attention of the readers, we are using sometimes idioms, sometimes phrases, sometimes slogans, sometimes very short phrases in order to tell the reader that what this poster is all about. Arrange the content in an eye catching. You have to arrange the content sequentially and it should catch one's eye. It should get attention, in other words, right? Okay, another thing you have to remember, use catchy slogans. That's why in posters what is important is that sometimes you know uh, we are using slogans, very brief slogans, very those types of slogans that are very attractive. In posters, use pictures, diagrams, and sketches if required. If required, sometimes we use pictures, we use diagrams, we use sketches. Just like cartoons are displayed, sometimes we are making posters in which cartoons are drawn. They are basically drawn in a way that the readers get attracted towards it. And another thing you have to understand, add time, date, and venue in case of an event. If this is some sort of event, at that time it is very important for all of us that the poster must get, there must be mention of time, date should be always there, and you have to discuss the venue where the event is going to be organized or where the event is to be celebrated. Another thing, you have to mention the name of issuing authority. Who is the issuing authority, who is designing poster? You have to take care of all that, right? And then the last and the most important thing, your most poster must not be lengthy, it should be very short. Usually it should have word limit up to 50 words, or it can be less than that. It should not be long. Long posters are considered to be very hectic, and readers are not trying to read it, right? When your poster is considered to be very lengthy, therefore we have to put some restrictions on the length, and we have to use very short phrases, very short idioms, slogans, in order to make our poster very very catchy and very suggestive. Okay, now let us try to understand a poster here, so that you will be able to discuss number of posters in the exam. Now look at this poster, a very small poster where pollution is discussed. Now you have pollution that is highlighted at the top. Now it is somewhere at the center. You are basically first of all you are drawing a box. Poster putting in box is very important. It can be essential because it looks very attractive if you are putting it in some in some sequential order.